Traditionally, getting a crown involved 2 separate visits to the dentist. During your first visit, we'd take impressions and prepare your tooth, then send those impressions off to a lab. You'd have to wear a temporary crown while waiting for your custom crown to be made, which could take weeks. But with CEREC, we've streamlined this entire process into a single, convenient appointment. Thanks to advanced CAD/CAM technology, we can take digital impressions right here in the office. No more messy, bad-tasting impression materials. Instead, we use a state-of-the-art intraoral camera to capture precise images of your teeth. Once we have these digital impressions, we move on to designing your crown. This is where the magic truly happens. Using sophisticated software, we craft a custom design that fits your tooth perfectly. Next, the CEREC Prime Mill, a remarkable piece of technology, mills your crown from a high-strength ceramic block. This material isn't just durable, it also looks like natural tooth material, blending seamlessly with your existing teeth. Finally, we use the CEREC Speedfire to sinter and glaze the crown, ensuring it's not only strong, but also has a beautiful, polished finish. In just one visit, you walk out with a permanent, natural-looking crown that's ready to go. This technology doesn't just save you time, it also enhances your comfort and convenience, completing your crown in one visit, right here in our office. If you're in or around Middletown and need a crown, we welcome you to visit us for a CEREC same-day restoration. Call 765-358-5868 to schedule your appointment.